Hello guys, welcome to the weekly Forex forecast. In this forecast, we'll be looking at few of the important pairs for the upcoming week and the opportunities they'll bring to trade on and capitalize on it. So let's start with dollar index and dollar index ke andar, as I have been telling this from last few weeks that yes, we are bullish and dollar index 110 level achieve करेगा. Last तीन चार forecast के अंदर मैंने ये चीज़ कही है and yes, market has been bullish and it's going higher, achieved 110 in the last week. And what next now? So the most important thing, tomorrow on Monday 20th of January, Trump will be taking over the White House. So let's see what all policies he will bring. But what I think is soon dollar index will start falling. But what all we need before it start falling from here? So either we'll see a push higher above this previous high to take out the external liquidity and tap around 110.5, or this marked zone. I marked these lines, which is around 110.992 or 111.5, then fall, right? Or either if it doesn't go higher than this, it can continue falling, and if it breaks below this low, which is 107, let me mark it, 107.75. So if it breaks below that, then it will turn bearish. So overall, after Trump takes over, I'll be looking at bearish dollar index because let, this is the previous Trump era when he won, and after that, price pushed higher before it collapsed, taking out all these lows, right? And this happened in the two year scenario, right? So that's what I'm expecting. After Trump won, price moved higher in the supply. Now I'm expecting as soon as he sits on the White House, it will start falling down slowly for next few years, let's say 2 years at least, as per the back data we just saw, and taking all the liquidity below these lows, right? So this is a bigger scenario, but as I said, on the lower time frames, yes, a push higher is still valid for the price to go higher and take out the external liquidity, then go down. So overall, let's wait for Dixie to turn bearish. Nothing more on this. Jumping on to the euro. Now on euro, we have been monitoring this pair from last 2 months now, and it has been extremely bearish. And on higher time frames, we know we were expecting price to fall in this fair value gap. The higher price of this fair value gap has been tagged. That's why I have removed this. Now it is deep into this, going on the weekly. On weekly as well, this fair value gap has been tabbed. Now it's just matter of time when it will start moving higher now. I'm overall bullish on Euro USD, and it is still showing some bearish market structure. As you can see, this is the last market structure it has shown us. But in this particular week, when Trump is coming back in the White House, what can happen? Either under this low, price can come, take the liquidity one more time, and then start moving higher, or without breaking the low, also price can start moving higher, respecting it, this zone. So these are the two scenarios which I think is best for upcoming week after Trump comes, because overall it's all bearish, but we are in buying zone now for me. So anytime it can start moving higher for at least, let's say, from the current prices, 500 pips easily, easy 400 500 pips move we'll witness in coming weeks after Trump comes into the White House. Similarly, on the gbpusd, I have said this in the last analysis that this low should be taken out as liquidity inducement because of the higher time frame monthly. It is inducement here, and price has taken it and has tapped into the extreme demand, and now it's just matter of time what how it accumulates the order here and start moving higher. So yes, either from the current levels expect price to move higher, or similarly a push down again to target these lows or lows before it pushes higher. That's all what I'm expecting on EU and GU. Similar exactly, because they are correlating pairs. Jumping onto the gold now, and on gold, after Trump comes in, we are expecting dollar to fall, gold to fall, and Bitcoin to rise very aggressively. That's what I'm expecting. But what is happening on dollar right now? First of all, this is one of the trend line gold is supporting right now. So until it doesn't break, you can expect it can stay bullish. But we don't trade on trend lines, right? So what I'm seeing here is after this all-time high, we had this break of structure, and after that, all this is consolidation phase we have taken the inducement, and after that price is just making more complex structure within the main push, which is this one. So now what can happen is, which I have been telling from last few weeks, that yes, this high can be used as liquidity, or we have these two highs on the left, which is around 2750 or 2762. So what can happen is, it's very simple price action here. Either price will continue from this zone to make new high to take out this previous high, which is around 2724 or 2726, which is this previous high, and after that price can start falling. But let's see how it happens, because if the weekly candle, the upcoming weekly candle closes above this zone, very strong candle on weekly, let me see. Yeah, so let's say if we have a very strong bullish candle closing with a wick down and a wick up, I'll be confidently expecting price will continue. If that happens, if a big candle appears this week, expect the price to continue higher for rest of the one more week to take all-time high, then it might reverse or something like that. But yes, if it doesn't, price can start falling, and most important price as per the current scenario is 2690, this low. So if this breaks, gold will turn bearish. If it doesn't break, price can still continue higher for 2630. Sorry. And if price closes about 2735, then expect price to continue higher till 2750 or 60 easily. These highs will get targeted. If 2530 is sustained and it stays above it, then price will go higher easily. So I think that's all for gold. Jumping on to another one, let's take GJ. On GJ, price has been bearish, and I have been telling, when price was falling here as well, I said price will come and break all these lows, and all these lows will be targeted. But what happened? Price took some pause here and started this bullish push to take more liquidity before it falls again. So continuing this, what can happen? Another small correction to the upside, and price can start falling anytime soon in the next week. So overall on GJ, I'm bearish, and I want to see lower prices on GJ. Jumping on to the BTC now. On BTC, of course, we are bullish. You can go and check on the last video as well. I've said one of these lows, this or all these lows are liquidity for me, and price can take them before it moves higher, right? These and this. So what price does? Price took this impulsively with a huge wick, and it has given a huge move after that. And I'm still expecting, after Trump joins tomorrow, because Monday is holiday, so there can be little mess in the market. So one more small correction towards $100,000 or just under that before it moves higher again towards the target, which I have already mentioned weeks ago. One is $125,000, another is $140,000. And for me, if this bullish pressure continues on dollar, I'll be expecting $270,000 in the long run, which BTC can achieve if this continues pushing higher. So that's all for BTC. Now, that's all for the video. I hope you liked it, and do like the video, do subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. And all the links for the socials are under the description. Do join the channel, be a part of community, and let's grow in 2025. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.